guys, it's Shelly. Welcome to my channel. I usually do all kinds of products unboxing and reviews. So in case you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. So in today's video, I'll show you two handbags. That's from Spade. So in case you guys are looking for some belt bag or camera bag, then definitely this review will help you. So in today's video, I'll show you two bags. One Spade belt bag and one Spade camera bag. So after I did a lot of research, I found like these are like really affordable and really great quality with great review belt bag and camera bag. So in case you guys are looking for some affordable belt bag and camera bag, then you can check this review. So let's start. So this one is the Spade Newberry Cami camera bag. This has like a really great review, and the handbag is like really a great one. And the shape of the handbag is also really good. This one is piano leather with spin mount Spade logo. So let's open this one. This is like piano leather, black with multi flower print. So inside portion you can see. This inside is a canvas, and there is only one zipper. Yeah. This is square. For the spring outfit, this one definitely match with your spring outfit, and it looks really cool. So let me fit my stuff here. How it fits. So you can check the one water bottle, and like some hand cream and some lipstick, some chapstick, and yeah, pretty much how many perfume. Yeah, everything you can just put here. And there is also pretty much space, so we can put pretty other stuffs also. We can put like mask, sanitizer, car keys, so pretty much everything you can put here. So yeah, it's a pretty big and decent handbag. We carry a lot of stuffs, so that's good. But in the back portion you can see there is no page. It says piano leather. Yeah. That's so nice. So let's move to the belt bag. The belt bag. There is a lot of space, and there is one pocket here, and it's a pin mount logo, and this is like polyester kind of fabric material. Let me see. And for this space, this one is also really good. This flower print, orange with white flower print. So let me check how it fits. Let me try one soda or my keys, mask, sanitizer, and lipstick, chapstick, pretty much everything it fits, and my phone also. carry a lot of stuffs. The belt is adjustable, so you can adjust as per your size. And bag looks good. You can carry this way or this way, like this way. Belt bag also. Build quality of these handbags are really good, and as per the price their handbags are really good, so that's why I prefer Spade, Michael Kors and Kors handbags, because they are like not like very expensive, but as per the price their quality is like really good. So I hope the video is helpful to you. If you like it, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.